cough is a natural body reflex which keeps the lungs, throat and airway clear of foreign material. However, constant coughing can prove uncomfortable for a child and can make him irritable. Wet cough is known so due to the presence of phlegm in cough. Phlegm is the greenish sticky liquid which comes out along with such cough. The affected child experiences pain in throat and chest congestion. Wet cough may weaken the immune system of the child, making him vulnerable to other diseases. Usually, wet cough is caused due to a viral or a bacterial infection. If your child is allergic to substances like dust, smoke, pollution or environmental irritants, then coming in contact with these allergens while playing outdoors can lead to this condition. Climatic changes and health conditions like common cold, asthma, pneumonia and bronchitis can also cause wet cough. Do not worry. You may use these easy home remedies to help clear out the phlegm and provide relief from wet cough. Take half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, also known as kali mirch. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed sugar candy. Add 1 teaspoon of licorice powder. Mix it well. Give 1/3 teaspoon of this mixture 3 times a day to the child. Take a cup of hot water. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. Add 1 teaspoon honey. Mix it well. Drink this in 3 equal doses during the day. At times, children avoid spitting out the phlegm and tend to swallow it. They should be advised against doing so. If the cough is violent or the child suffers from recurrent fever, it is best to visit a doctor. Take care. Hi, hope you liked the video. Write in your comments below and let us know what you think. If you want to share this video with your friends on Facebook or Google+, use the easy share options below. I will see you again soon. Till then, take care.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.